RS7, guys. We're going to be installing new Brixton forged wheels on this car. Brixton RF7 and satin anthracite. Nice clean 5-spoke design. This should look really good on this car. I mean, you can't go wrong. You got silver, you got dark gray, you got black. I mean, it's just very simple neutral colors. It's gonna look good. RF7 wheels on our RS7. Hey, that's kind of cool. Like I imagined, the spoke design, the color matches perfectly with the car. Love how this all came out. One thing that really surprised me though is the flush fitment on this setup. I thought it was gonna be a little bit conservative, but turned out pretty nice. Great sporty spoke design and a nice clean finish. Another Tesla Model S is in with us today. As you can see, we are actually in the progress of doing a Clearbra on this one. The full front end is actually already done. We're on the doors, wrapping the edges right now, getting the nice little extra coverage around the edges there. Especially since you open the doors, sometimes you can hit things, so it's good to have a little protection. And we're gonna work our way towards the back until every painted panel is protected. We have removed the rear badges. That way we get a nice wraparound without any of the cutouts around the emblems. Brand new 2020 Tesla Model S, and it's ready for the Houston roads. The entire Model S is Clearbra from bumper to bumper, so every panel is protected against scratches, rock chips, all that cool stuff. Not only does it add protection, but as you can see, the paint is a lot glossier thanks to the film. And since this is ClearGuard, it's also hydrophobic, so all the panels will bead water, making it easier to clean and to stay clean. But we didn't just stop there. Photosync window tint on all the sides, back, sunroof, and the front windshield. Every window is tinted. It feels so freaking cool inside here. It's so comfortable, especially for the summertime now. So since the film is hydrophobic, I do want to do a water beading test to show you guys how hydrophobic this film is. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pour water onto this hood right here. What we should see are perfect little water droplets just sheeting right off the hood because it's so slick and smooth that it's just having a hard time staying on, basically. Perfect. That is exactly what I'm looking for. So as you guys can see, it's just sliding right off. It's practically dry once I'm done pouring it. Isn't that crazy?
Basically, I just grabbed all my stuff from a smaller box and spread it out in a bigger area.
To make it seem like you have more?
Yeah. Impact, wrenches, sockets. You know what this is?
It's light.
The blinder. So when I'm coating, I'm not coating in the dark.
What's it called? Blinder? Oh, that's bright.
Dude, I can feel the heat on my chin.
Yeah, I can feel it too. Wow, that big George is for the cable?
Well, just for now.
It is back. You guys might remember this G-Wagon not too long ago. We did the chrome delete on it. Came out really great. It is back today because we're actually going to be finishing up the car. So back here, Sean did an amazing job wrapping the tire carrier, but there's still something missing. There's this open space of nothingness. So we're going to fill it up. And how we're going to fill it up? Well, Tyler's going to tell us.
Stickers.
We're gonna be filling it up with a ladder, guys. So this will go here, and it kind of attaches to the tail light, I believe, or something underneath it, and then it kind of climbs up here. So that way you can climb up and see your roof, because every G-Wagon owner wants to do that. This is gonna match the whole safari theme that we've done with like the headlight and the blinker cages that we have in the front. So it's just gonna add to the whole entire look. Nice. It does look cool.
Made that quote?
What quote?
That quote.
Oh, let me guess. Is it Patton?
Why would he make that quote?
Churchill.
Why would he make that quote?
Abraham Lincoln?
Why would he make that quote?
Chuck Norris. JJ Watt? That's it for the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. We want to work on your cars, so hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. I will see you next time. Oh, John Wayne, bro. Oh, David Crockett.
Was it really?
I was gonna say Navy.
But Texas history failed me.
History in general.